So unfortunately, I do not have a webcam on my new computer, so I'm going to have to do it without one. So I hope that's okay. Sims 4 is a popular console game with over 30 million downloads worldwide. What is this game? This game allows you to create your own character or sim, give them their own personality and family, design their house, take care of their needs and wants, and do pretty much anything you can imagine. This is an example of one of the houses in Sims that someone else has created. As you can see, there's a lot of details and artwork and everything, and with so many things in a game with such high graphics, it is not surprising that there are a lot of bugs in the game. There is a way to fix these bugs. The first thing, one of these bugs is when your sim gets frozen, they're just frozen in the same position, and when you try and get them to do another task, they can't, they're just stuck in the same spot. So to fix that, you're going to want to get into cheat mode first. To do that, you need to click Control, Shift, and C on your keyboard. That should leave you with a white box like this in the right corner, top right corner of your screen. Then you're going to want to type in Reset Sim with no space in between. The S in Sim should be capitalized. Then a space and the name of the sim that's frozen. And not just the first name, the full name. So once you've done that and you've clicked enter, your sim should go from this to this. So instead of bent over, the arms are out here, the arms should be to the side, the sim should be standing in an upright position. If that is not the case, then you might have to try again. If that doesn't work, there are other ways to fix your sim. One of the easiest ways to do that is go into your Origin account. Once you've done that, click My Game Library, right click on your Sims 4 game, and click Repair. This will take some time. Don't exit out of anything, just let it do its thing. And then you'll have to re-download the game. If that doesn't work, you may have to rename your save file and move all your saved info into a new game, but that's another topic for another day because that's just a very complicated process. But it is very possible to be able to do that, and so don't panic if that doesn't work for you either. So if you do want to download Sims 4, if you do not have it yet, it is available on Steam. I got it on sale for $10. It is usually like $30 or $40. But obviously if I've spent 50 hours on it already, I'm addicted to it. So just be careful of time management while playing this game, that's all. Alright, thank you. And I hope you all have a great day. Happy gaming!